Ladies and gentlemen, I think that you are having a fantastic day. And then first of all, I'm really sorry because I didn't upload any video for the past couple of months. Because I didn't have much time to spend myself onto my YouTube channel now. But hopefully now I'm back with another brand new video. And in this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the user interface color, commonly known as the UI color in Adobe Photoshop. So before starting this video, I would like to remind you guys to subscribe my channel. Also do not forget to turn on that notification button to stay notified about our future most videos. So with that being said, let's get into it. So guys, as you all can see, I have opened my Photoshop application already, and to be honest, there's no any special color around it now. But if you look closer, you can see nothing but black. It's only the black. There are different versions of black. So now let's see how to change this whole black color interface into something else inside Photoshop. And before that, you have to go to Edit and then go to Preferences and then go to Interface. So now you have to apply the dark black theme if you haven't, because some people may experience that their UI color has not changed even if they follow me. Also, you have to make sure that your foreground and background colors are set to be its default, otherwise this method will not work successfully at some points. So now let's see how to change this UI color in real quick manner. So to do that, first of all you guys have to open the file location of Adobe Photoshop. To do that, I'm gonna go to this PC. And I'm going to locate this C partition and then go to my program files. Here I can choose Adobe. So now you have to select the Photoshop version which you got. In my case, I have 2020 version. Okay, then click on required folder, and after that you can scroll down this window until you can find a text file called UI colors. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the txt file which we are going to edit and apply the color that we prefer. And before you mess around with this thing, I highly recommend to take a copy of this text file and paste it on the exact same location. So now this text file will be acted as a backup file if you did something really wrong. And after creating this backup file, now you my friend are ready to edit this text document. To do that, you can simply use the notepad. But for this occasion, I really don't recommend to use it because there may be some errors when you're using notepad at some times. So guys, that's why I have Visual Studio Code editor. And if you're keen on this software, you can download it from the description area given below. Anyway, now I'm going to right click on this UI color txt file and select open with Visual Studio Code editor. And as you can see guys, our text file has been recognized and opened from this software. And here comes the most interesting part of this process. So now it's the time to pick a color that you prefer. To do that, you can open any web browser which you have and start search for color picker. And once you have searched that, now you can select any color that you deserve. So after selecting your color, you can see there are 3 different hexadecimal values inside this little box. And these are the values which has taken to demonstrate the RGB values inside our chosen color. So now you can simply copy all these values and take a copy by holding Ctrl C in the keyboard. So after getting that copy, you can go back to the Visual Studio Code editor. For this moment, I'm not going to apply the color to this whole interface. So for that, I have already written some areas where I want to apply it. And if you want that too, you can download this txt file also from the link given in the description. And now you have to select the first word set which I have given for you and take a copy by holding Ctrl C in the keyboard. So then you can go back to code editor and paste it on the search panel. So guys, this is the first area where we want to change our code. And if you look closer, you can see there are also some hexadecimal values just as we copied earlier. And like before, these are the values to show the RGB value, and the final value is set for demonstrate its opacity level. So now you guys can select the first value set but without that comma and hold Windows button plus V in the keyboard and activate the clipboard. Here you can paste the custom color code which we copied earlier in the color picker. And now you can paste this color code for the other 3 rows also. And after rebuilding this code, you guys can select this whole value set and take a copy. Then select the other word set and search it on here. And now you guys can select the whole code and activate the clipboard by holding Windows button plus V in the keyboard. And now you can paste the color set which we edited earlier before. So now you have to follow the exact same theory which I was followed moments ago and repeat this process. And once you have edited this code completely, you can go to Files and choose Save As. Here you can save this one to anywhere what you wish for, but remember not to change its file name. So now I'm going to the place where I saved my document. And this is my edited UI color txt document, and now I'm going to take a copy by holding Ctrl C in the keyboard. Then you guys can go back to the Photoshop file location and delete the original UI color txt document. But don't worry, this will not mess your whole Photoshop interface, and that's why we have already took a backup file earlier in this video. So afterwards you can paste this txt file which we copied earlier in the exact same location. So now we have almost done with our work now, and you guys can close all these tabs and restart your Photoshop application if it's already opened. So ladies and gentlemen, I believe we did it, and as you can see, the color which I chose has been added to this workspace. And to get a clearer view, let me import a image and show you the difference. What a very fantastic tutorial for today's video, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video a lot. And if you did, please leave a comment in the comment section below describing your own opinion about this video. Also feel very free to subscribe to Chris HD Plus. So then I think that's it for today guys. So until I'm gonna be back with another brand new video, I hope you guys a very nice day.